Welcome to LIM's Math IQ, your space to explore smart mathematics, sharp analysis, and insightful problem solving. Stay tuned, because here, numbers come alive.
Hi friends, I'm Maya. Today, we'll learn the table of 5. It's super easy and full of fun.
Hey buddies, it's me, Tojo. Guess what? We're learning the table of 5. Get your counting hands ready. Let's jump, clap, and shout together.
Welcome to the multiplication table of 5. Let's recite, learn, and
5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10.
5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20.
5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30.
5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50.
Great job, everyone! We just learned the table of 5. Now let's say it one more time together so we remember it better.
5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10.
5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20.
5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30.
5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50.
Well done, kids! You did an amazing job learning the table. Now, let's recite it one more time together. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. All right, superstars, now bring your notebook and pencil, because it's time to practice the table. Write it down nice and big and say it out loud.
Thanks for watching this video on LIM's Math IQ. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting math insights. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.